Good morning everyone. Welcome to virtual learning series of Aristo Training Team. In today's lesson, you will learn what an organ system is and you will review each organ system in the human body. This will aid in our study of anatomy and physiology. At the end of this lesson, you will learn about urinary system. Urinary system or excretory system consists of four different parts, which includes kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. First part of urinary system consists of kidneys. There are two bean-shaped organs located below the ribs near the middle of the back. Each kidney is made up of 1 billion of little tubes called as the nephrons. Nephron. Each human kidney consists about 1 million nephrons. The nephron is the smallest structural and functional unit of the kidney. The nephron contains glomerulus and a renal tubule. Each nephron receives one afferent arteriole which has blood with waste, which divides into capillary network called as the glomerulus. The glomerular capillaries then reunite to form the efferent arteriole that drains blood out of the nephron. The total glomerulus is encased in the Bowman's capsule. After filtration of blood with waste, blood goes back to blood vessels and leads to formation of urine. As nephron is responsible for filtration of blood and formation of urine, it is the most important part of kidney. Thus, in nutshell, kidney is responsible for various functions, such as removal of waste products in the form of urine by filtration of the blood, maintains a balance of electrolytes, and kidneys are responsible for secretion of hormone known as renin, which helps in the regulation of blood pressure. Next part of urinary system is ureter, which is 16-inch long tube-like structure. In ureters, walls are present which will help in the prevention of the reflux of urine into the kidneys. Ureters mainly responsible for carrying urine from pelvis of the kidney to bladder. Ureters carries urine into the hollow muscular organ which stores the urine known as urinary bladder. Narrow internal opening of urethra in the bladder which is known as bladder neck. Last part of urinary system which passes urine out of the body is known as urethra. In women it is 4 cm long, while in men it is 8 to 9 inches long. Urethra is made up of 3 important parts, in which the most important part to remember is prostatic urethra. This part, prostatic urethra, is known as because of one gland known as prostate gland. You can clearly see in this image that prostatic urethra is surrounded by prostate gland. Although prostate gland is a part of male reproductive system, but it plays important role in urinary system. Thus, we will learn about prostate gland. Prostate gland is walnut-sized gland that surrounds urethra just below urinary bladder. Prostate gland is partly muscular and partly glandular, which opens into urethra. Prostate gland is responsible for various functions. First is to make and secrete prostatic fluid. Second, it gives ejaculation its typical milky color. For proper functioning of prostate gland, it needs male hormones known as androgens. If I can summarize, we have learned about urinary system. With this, I sincerely appreciate your attention today, and that brings us to the end of urinary system. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Have a great day and happy learning.